Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can potentially earn over $120 for every single video that you upload to this website. Now you can also go ahead and earn money by uploading images as well, and also audio. And I'll jump on the website in a minute and I'll show you how you can download the app and exactly where you want to go to get all the information you need. Very quickly, if you are new here and this is the first time on the channel, go ahead, subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and then you'll be notified every single day I upload a video. This here is one of my blogs, and on here you can see I go ahead and I share videos on YouTube, and I also blog about making money online and working from home. So I'll drop a link to this blog below. You can feel free to go ahead and check out some of these articles on here. There's lots and lots of different ways you can make money online and from home. So let's jump into today's video. So the site we're looking at today is this one here called dreamstime.com. Now you can see on here you can sell photos, images and videos on here. And I'll drop a link to this below for you. So if we just scroll down here, it's got all the usual information on here. It tells you exactly what you can do, what you can't do, how your images need to be, etc. So I'll drop links to this and feel free to go ahead and have a look at these. But if we scroll down here, I'll just show you this here. So you've got content types, so you've got images, videos and audio, and then you've got content level. So you can play around with this and have a look at exactly how much you would earn. So you've got the actual size of the picture, you've then got a non-exclusive image, you've got an exclusive image, and then you've got an exclusive user on the platform here. So before we look at this in a little bit more detail, let's just go and show you the app which you need to go ahead and download. So this is the app here, and I'm on the Google Play Store here. It's also available on the iPhone. So you can see it's had over 6,000 downloads with a current rating of 4, which is pretty good. If you go down, it tells you more about that, and then you've got all of your reviews on here. So feel free to go ahead and have a look at these, but predominantly it's pretty good. So if we scroll back to the top, so you download this, it's really simple. It shows you exactly on how you do it, so I'll show you the images on here. So easy account creation. Name, password and email, then you're good to go. Next one, so basically you select the images or the videos that you want to upload to the platform, select them and then just hit upload. After this you're going to want to go ahead and give it a good title, and then you also include some tags on there. So let me just go to this one here and show you this. So you can see here you've got your main headline, you've got your subtitle, and then you've got tags down here, and then you give it a category, whether it's commercial or it's an editorial piece. And don't worry about whether knowing it's an editorial or commercial, because I'll drop a link below for you to the frequently asked questions. But basically you want to give it a good headline, and you do want to include tags, because this is how people will find your image on the website. Once you've done that, let me just scroll across here for you. You can see here, last one on here, so click on here. So files are reviewed quickly. So what you do is you put on all the information that you're going to include, so your title, your tags, your headline, and then you upload it on here, and then they will go ahead and review that video or image or audio to make sure it meets their criteria and guidelines. And then once that's done, you're pretty much then good to go. So if you just scroll across here, you can then, it says you can check your sales and how you're doing. So let me scroll across. So there you go. You can see on here. So this is like a test account. So this John here is uploaded 344 uploads. He's had a total of this many sales, and you can see this is his potential earnings. So it's pretty good, this website. It's got some good feedback. It's also, I mean, go ahead and have a look at the iPhone, the iOS on Apple. Go ahead and have a look at that. But the downloads are pretty similar. The reviews are pretty similar as well. So if we just go back over here to the website, you've got the usual frequently asked questions, everything, and it talks about how you go ahead and earn for video uploads and image uploads. It basically works on a revenue share, and you can see here the contributor receives 25 to 50% revenue share. It tells you how it's worked out, etc. And again, don't worry, I'll drop links to everything below for you. So there's a calculator on here, and this is earnings for registered users. So you've got images, videos and audio along here. So let's just say we're starting with videos. Let's go to videos. Now we're on content level 0. So you can see here this is exactly what it is and how much you can expect to earn. So you've got videos with no downloads which are older than 6 months. Then you've got non-exclusive image, an exclusive image and an exclusive user. So this is the percent that you would expect to earn along here. So you can see here, you want to be aiming to be an exclusive user, and then you'll be looking at 60%. However, realistically, when you're first getting started, you're going to be looking at these sorts of prices here. Now, non-exclusive means basically if you've uploaded this image of, if you've uploaded this video to other platforms, because there's hundreds of these different platforms where you can go ahead and upload videos and images and be paid. So if you was to go ahead with a non-exclusive, you're looking at 25%. If you make that image exclusive to these guys or girls, you'll get 27.5%. So whilst all this sounds great, let's have a look at some actual earnings. So we've got a video here. This is how much you can expect to go ahead and earn. So videos with no downloads, which is newer than 6 months, these are some of the figures that you can expect to earn. If we then take it up one, you've then got onto content level 2. So you've now got videos with 1 to 4 downloads. So if you uploaded a video and it's had, so let's say for argument's sake, it's had 3 downloads, this is how much you would expect to go ahead and earn from that video. So if it's a web video, you've got this price here. If it's in 720, so it's a bit high resolution, this is the earnings you could potentially earn. You've then got 1080, you've then got 4K. And then you've got web usage and unlimited seats. And look, don't wait, like I said, I'll drop links to this below for you so you can go ahead and have a look at exactly what all of these means on here for you. In terms of web 720 1080, that's just basically, it means the format that you're recording in. So for it, this video that I'm recording here, I'm recording this here on 1080. And most phones, whether that's on your iPhone, whether that's on your Android, they're normally around the 1080 mark. So any phone nowadays, especially the iPhones, the cameras on them are absolutely incredible. So you'll be looking around at this sort of price point here. But you like I say, go ahead and check out the frequently asked questions and just see exactly how much you can be earning. So these are the videos. This was level 2. Let's just jump over to level 5. So you can see down here the prices, once you've got 25 downloads or more, the prices significantly start to go up. And you can see on here how much percent you're now earning after you've had so many downloads on there. So these are all your prices again. So you can see, I mean, the prices are pretty cool. I mean, it goes up to $163 per video. So you're not going to start earning this amount of money straight away. Obviously, this is exclusive users, but realistically, you could potentially be looking around the 45% mark with a download count of 25 or more. So this is the videos. You've then got audio as well, so you can go ahead, you can upload audio onto here. And again, you've got your different prices and you've got your different tiers on here. So that is pretty much today's video. This is available, it's available anywhere in the world. One last thing I'll show you, just quickly let me show you this because I did see this somewhere about how you withdraw. So withdraw is, it's here. You can withdraw once your balance has reached $100. So you can only withdraw once you've exceeded $100 worth of earnings, and then they go ahead and pay you via PayPal and also bank transfer. So again, that's something worthwhile noting. Just make sure, just note that you cannot withdraw any money until you've earned over $100. So if you want to go ahead and use this platform, then absolutely do. It's free to get started with, it's easy, it's simple, and all you're doing here is uploading images, videos and audio, and then just giving them the tags. And that is it really. It's really simple, it's easy, and look, I'll drop a link to this here for you, this page here, so you can go ahead and have a look at all of the information on here and check out all of the file sizes and everything you need like that. But it's pretty cool video. Pretty simple way to earn some money online. Take your images or your videos, upload them, and that's it, done. And then you earn royalties. Now, you can go ahead and have a look at this site, and this is basically, it's a stock site, a stock photo / video site, and there's hundreds of these online. There's lots of different people and companies out there looking for new images and videos. It can be people with blogs and websites. There can be people looking for videos for a marketing campaign. It can be absolutely anything, and people do go ahead and purchase images and videos. And you can go ahead and have a look at some of the free photos which they've got available, but then they've also got different packages. Scroll down here, you can see, where is it? Where is it? It's on here somewhere. Tools. I'm sorry, I can't find it. It's on here somewhere. Basically, instead of people buying and downloading individual items or videos, then they can sign up. It should be on here somewhere. Let's have a look. I'm going to find it. I am going to find it. But it's on here somewhere. I'm going to see if I can find it. But people are always looking for images and videos. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to find these prices. So here's the pricing. Sign up now. Let's click on there and see if it gives you some more prices. Where the bloody hell is it? Support Centre. Is it on there? Oh, there we go. Plans and pricing. Good goodness me. Sorry, I was looking at all over. I was in the wrong place altogether. So what happens is people come here and they can sign up, and you can buy credit packages, and you can also buy subscriptions, and you can see what that entitles anyone to go ahead and get as part of the package. So if someone wants to sign up to the credit package, that means they'd get a 1 month duration, which they can go ahead and download up to 5 items. And then they've got the price on here, they've got a promo deal, and then they've also got subscription packs as well, which people go ahead and buy. And then obviously your images and videos are on there, people are downloading them, you then go ahead and earn money from doing so. So that is today's video. I'll drop links to this site here for you. I'll also drop a link over to the Play Store on Google, so you can go ahead and have a look at this and look at the different reviews on here. But that's it. Simple, quick and easy to go ahead and start earning money. And what I do like about this is it's a passive income. So do the work once, upload it, and then you'll continuously earn from your videos, your images and also your audio. So that is enough for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.